On a U-door piston diaphragm pump, the oil reservoir is conveniently located on top of the pump. Make sure when you are filling your pump, you do not lose the rubber seal that is located in the cap. This seal prevents leaking. The oil drain plug is located at the bottom of the pump. You may find it easier to remove the pump from the sprayer to change the oil. This can be achieved by removing the 4 bolts. On a U-door piston diaphragm pump, there is an air chamber located above the pump. In the air chamber is a diaphragm that reduces pulsing caused from the pistons in the pump traveling up and down. If you notice the spray is exiting the booms in a pulsing motion, you can repressurize the air chamber using your air compressor and a nipple on the air chamber up to 90 psi. On a U-door piston diaphragm pump, the oil drain plug is located at the bottom of the pump. You may find it easier to remove the pump from the sprayer to change the oil. This can be achieved by removing the 4 bolts located around the pump, lifting it, and draining the oil. The U-door piston diaphragm pump is designed to withstand being run dry, unlike other pumps. This means if the person spraying doesn't notice the tank is empty and continues to think they are spraying, it will not crater the pump. The Meyer Centrifugal's 2-stage pump has the output of 60 US gallons with a maximum pressure of 150 psi. There is an oil drip mounted to keep the ceramic seal to keep it cool. Centrifugal pumps are not to be run dry. They are more likely to burn out when dry. Meyer centrifugal pumps have a butterfly valve. When you are replacing or removing the pump, you need to close the butterfly valve to stop the flow of water. An easy-to-access dropout plate is located around the pump for the ease of oil changes or removal of the pump. Remove the nuts and bolts and the pump will drop right out. On a centrifugal pump, the belts around the gearbox and pump pulley has a protective cover. A bracket with a slider allows the adjustments when the belt has been replaced. On the side of the frame will be a suction filter for a centrifugal pump which must be cleaned on a daily basis. Meyer centrifugal pump has a butterfly valve. When you are replacing or removing the pump, you will need to close the butterfly valve to stop the flow of water.